Alright traders, in this tutorial I am going to walk you through on how you can use the P2P platform on the Bybit crypto exchange trading platform. I believe by now you have created and verified your trading account. If you are yet to do that, you cannot do buying and selling or trading on the Bybit crypto exchange trading platform. You have to submit your KYC document, that is know your customer identity, right? Once you've done that, then you can proceed to this section. If you are yet to do that, check out the links in the description of this video to watch the video on how you can verify your trading account on the Bybit crypto exchange trading platform. With that being said, let's dive straight into how we can use the P2P on the Bybit crypto exchange trading platform. This is the home page of the Bybit crypto exchange trading platform. Now, to use the P2P platform, move your cursor and click on the buy crypto option at the top of your screen, and then you select on the P2P trading 0 field. Click on that. Once you click on that, you will be automatically redirected to the P2P trading page. Now, accept the terms and conditions. Once you confirm that, then buying on the Bybit P2P page depends on your country or your location. Now, this tutorial is for a trader in Nigeria. You can replicate this concept to buy and sell your crypto on the Bybit. Just follow this step. Right now, we want to buy in this tutorial. Now, first thing you have to do is you have to select the asset you want to buy. No, so in this tutorial, I want to buy Tether, that is the USDT. By default, Tether USDT is being selected. That is a stable coin. If you would prefer to buy BTC or Ethereum or USDC, you can select those coins. Now, in this tutorial, we are going to use the USDT. By default, USDT has been selected. Now, the next thing you have to select is to select the currency you want to pay the seller. Now, you are the buyer, you want to buy. Someone is willing to sell to you on the Bybit P2P platform. Now, what currency do you want to use to pay the seller? Now, I want to use Naira in this tutorial. Now, I have to switch from Euro to Naira. NGN, Naira, I select Naira. Once I select Naira, you are going to be given a notification that please note that with PalmPay, users can delete bank account record. Yes, this means you have to be very careful, especially if you are going to be dealing with people using PalmPay, because they can easily delete the history of their financial transaction. So this can act like a medium to encourage those who are interested in defrauding people on this platform. So you have to be very careful, or just stay away from PalmPay or sellers. Now, once you select your Naira, you're going to see the listed exchange rate for dollar to Naira. Now, for $1 on this platform, we are going to pay 1,657 Naira and 99 kobo. Although the price is not constant, it's always changing, and you can switch and look out for a better price offer. But on the platform, you can set the parameters to show from the most affordable exchange rate all the way down to the expensive one. So based on the settings right here, you move your cursor to the right side of your screen and you select on filter. Once you select on filter, you're going to see a lot of options right here which says add types. Now, I want you to select the show only verified advertisers. This will save you from headaches, from troubles of fraudulent sellers on this platform. So Bybit has a way of verifying merchants or sellers who has completed a lot of orders without any complaints from buyers. So once these sellers have met these requirements, then Bybit will give them a badge to show that yes, this is a reliable, dependable seller on this platform. We also have for buyers. So if you have been buying for a lot of time on the Bybit crypto exchange trading platform, Bybit can also give you a badge to prove that yes, sellers can sell to you. You are not a troublesome buyer or a troublesome seller. Right now, you click on this option right here so that you can save yourself from headaches of fraudsters on this platform or people who are willing to defraud innocent people. Now, once you click on that, then you click on show only eligible ads. Now, this will help you and also save your time by going through ads which you cannot purchase. there are some sellers whereby they have set some parameters which might not allow you to buy from them. For example, some traders can say that, okay, anyone who wants to buy from me must have maybe between 100,000 to 1 million, or maybe from 50,000 to 500,000. And what happens when you don't have up to 50,000 or up to 100,000, which is the minimum sale for that seller? That means you are just going to see the ad, but you can't buy it. So this will constitute a lot of options, which might lead to confusion. So you just want to show only eligible ads. As well, we have some unverified sellers, so you just want to skip out all those irrelevant information or sellers. So click on show eligible ads, and then the next stage you select price, sort by price. Now under this section you can arrange the rate or the price of, or the exchange rate of each seller from the lowest to the highest. Now what this section does is it lists exchange rate from the lowest to the highest. Now let's say for instance we have sellers that want to sell for 1,500 naira per dollar, and we have sellers that want to sell for 1,600 naira, and all the way to 1,007, 2,000. Now what this option is going to do is it will list those sellers who have an affordable fee or a cheaper fee, starting from 1,500, 1,550, 1,600 all the way down. So you can easily see the cheapest or the most affordable exchange rate. Right now, once you click on that, then you can as well check order or parameters right here, completed order number. This shows you the rate or the numbers of orders a seller has completed. So in a situation whereby you can see that a seller has completed a lot of orders without any negative review, then this is also a green flag that this seller is reliable and dependable, right? And then you can also check their completion rate. This is based on 100% scale value. This will show you as this seller completed 100%. So if you are trading on the Bybit, any seller above 90% is reliable and dependable. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't be careful. So if you see sellers rise 80, 75, that means most of the times or sometimes these sellers or buyers were unable to complete their order, maybe due to some challenges, right? Now, stay closer or transact with seller or buyer that have 90% completion rate. This will save you from headache, right? Now you can also select your pay time limit. You can use all. This all means you have sellers or buyers who give out 15 minutes or 30 minutes time frame payment. This means you have to make your payment within 15-minute time specified by the buyer or the seller. Or if you choose the 30 minutes, it means you have to complete your payment within 30 minutes time frame. And what happens when the 15-minute time frame has exhausted or the 30 minutes has exhausted or expired? It means you won't be able to continue with that transaction. That transaction will automatically be closed. So make sure you stick between the specified time frame of payment. Now all these settings right here, we are good to go. And the option right here which I didn't click, you don't necessarily need this option. This is show only block advertisers. I don't use this. I don't, so I don't think you need it. Now click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, everything right here is going to change. Now you can see we have a new exchange rate from the cheapest all the way down to the expensive ones. Now we are not yet done. Now you have to click on the payment method. There are sellers, buyers who offer different payment methods. Remember, in the beginning of this tutorial, we have been told, we have been instructed to warn against spam pay sellers or buyers because they can delete their transaction history. So in this option right here, there's a way you can set it whereby spam pays, advertisements or sellers won't be shown to you on the Bybit crypto exchange trading platform. Right now, what we are going to do right here is to click on the all payments method. Once you click on that, you will see different methods right here. We have all payment method, we have bank transfer, we have OPay, we have PalmPay. So if I were you, I will just select on bank transfer and OPay, because if you select the all payment, it means all payment from different sources, PalmPay, OPay, bank transfer, everything will be shown to you. And then I do not want to go through all this stress of filtering out reliable payment sources. So instead of just clicking on all payments, I advise you switch to bank transfer. You can as well use the OPay. These two options is okay. Now you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, that is done. Now the next step right now is to look out for a seller you can buy your coins from. Right now, I just want to purchase like a few $100,000 worth of Theta right here in this tutorial. So what I'm going to do right now is look out for sellers that is willing to sell within the minimum of 100,000 naira or maximum of 100,000 naira. Right now, right here, the first seller right here wants to sell between 4,500 to 5,000. This is relevant to me. We have the next seller right here who wants to sell between 40,000 to 51,000. You can buy this and then look out for another seller to complete your order. But I prefer to have my order with one seller, because by the time you start creating more orders with different sellers, one of the sellers may misbehave. So I don't want to go through that stress. I just want to deal with one person particularly. Right now, I scroll all the way down. For example, right now, this seller right here offers selling between 15,000 to 400,000. So this type of seller, I can deal with him or her. Now, right here, you can see his badge is verified. The completion rate is 99%. He has completed 85 orders, which is almost closing to 1,000 orders. And the time frame period is 15 minutes. So I can proceed further to purchase or to transact with this seller right here. Now, what I'm going to do right now is I will click on buy USDT, and I click on that. On the next page, let's see what we have. Now, on the next page, we have the crypto exchange orders right here. You can see I have to pay 1,666 naira for $1. Now, I want to purchase 100,000. I have to put that right here. Now, I'm going to get the value of $60 worth of Theta. Now, you can see we have the time count right here, which stated that after 20 seconds, the exchange rate of 1,666 will automatically be switched, which means you cannot complete this order once this time reading has gotten to 0. The exchange rate can go higher or below, depending on the seller. Now, you see the available Theta on this seller's profile. This seller has almost 634 worth of Theta. You can see the limit from 50,000 to above maximum, which is 400,000. Payment duration 15 minutes. You can see that. Now, you can see the exchange rate right here has reduced from Kobo. Now we now have approximation of 1,666 naira. Now let's continue with this payment right now. Now, I click on buy. Once you click on buy, you can see that we'll be redirected to a new page where we're going to input our orders. Now, read the instructions right here. In order to provide a safer trading environment, our system comprehensively evaluates every transaction to determine the risk level. Should the transaction be deemed risky, it will impose a 24 hours withdrawal restriction on the relevant account. So this is security policies or measures placed in place to protect the seller and the buyer on the Bybit crypto exchange trading P2P system. Now click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, your time starts counting. Now we have 14 minutes and 24 seconds. Now, read the instruction right here. See the amount you have to pay. Make sure you select the payment method accepted by the seller, which is bank transfer. Then right here, we see the bank transfer. All right. Right here, we have PalmPay, which means I have to cancel this transfer. But anyways, this seller is a verified merchant, so I can still go ahead right here. It's verified, so I can still go ahead. But in case you are just starting this afresh as a new trader, make sure, or you are just new to the Bybit P2P system, I advise you just select OPay user. The reason why we have this PalmPay right here is because I selected bank transfer. So bank transfer will automatically list everything together. So that was an error we made on that payment page. We should have selected just OPay. Anyway, let's go on with this. Since this seller is verified, it has a Bybit verified logo merchant. Now, let's go. Now, read the instruction provided by the seller at the right side of your screen. You can see right here, this seller said, you should approximate your payment. Don't include Kobo and don't include the keyword crypto. Don't do that. This could lead to banning of your account. The seller and the buyer's account can be banned, right? Now, be careful not to be fooled by fake customer support. No, this is very, very important. Bybit won't call you requesting you to release a fund. Everything you have to do, you have to be on this platform. And should in case a seller or a buyer tells you to chat them up on a third app like WhatsApp or any third party application, don't do that. That is a means to take advantage or to take the communication out of Bybit, whereby if anything goes wrong, you have limitation of information to share with the Bybit support system. Right now, I can go right here with this order. Now, what I need to do right now is to go into my mobile app. You all have mobile app. You can do the transfer on your app. Now, I have to open my transaction mobile application and then provide all the necessary information presented to us on this platform right here. As you can see right here, I have to pay 100,000 for this to this seller, and I go to my app right here. I click on PalmPay. Make sure the information is the same way it appears on the Bybit. If you have a different name from this name right here, don't do that. Don't do that. Right now, I have the same name on this Bybit with the one I'm seeing on a mobile device. Sometimes you can have 3 names, but make sure that at least 2 of the names given on the Bybit as a seller detail correspond to what you are seeing on the mobile app. You know, Nigerian banks sometimes they can ignore some other third names. Right now, I have to make this payment, and you can put your name as narration. Don't put the keyword crypto, please. Now you click on transfer. After you make the transfer, make sure you send your slip of payment, your proof of payment. Send it, right? So should in case anything goes wrong, you can use it to file a claim with the support system, right? Now I've made this payment and the payment has gone. Now what I need to do right now is to send this receipt to, but before you do that, click on completed payment. I understand and confirm. You have to click on payment completed before you start uploading your slip, so that the time frame won't go against you. You can see right now we have 9 minutes and 54 seconds. So you have to click some completed. That is after you have made the transfer. Now you can now message the seller, I have paid, and you can now go ahead to do what? To upload your payment. The seller may ask for your payment slip. He or she may not ask sometimes. So just to make things transparent, you can upload it even if he or she doesn't ask you. So just do that. Once you do that, right here, you upload it. Now, I just sent it through my Telegram. Then what I need to do right now is to try to check out where I put my uploads on my account, and then try to do the upload. Right? File. This is the file. This is the slip, and I click on open, and then in fact, before I upload the slip of payment, the seller has already released the coin. And you can see right now, this is one of the reasons it was given verified merchant. Wow, thank you, Mr. Transparent. You are really a transparent seller on the Bybit crypto exchange trading platform. You can see this. So this is how you can transact on the Bybit P2P system. It's so simple as ABC. All right. We have purchased our 100,000 worth of Theta in our Bybit trading account. As you can see right here, we have $60 worth of Theta. Now you can view the order by clicking on view order. When you click on view order, right here, transaction completed, then that is all. You can go into your assets to check your assets. If you are interested to learn more how to trade, spot trading, futures trading, how to run technical analysis, fundamental, sentimental, risk management analysis, psychological analysis of trading, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, share, and put a comment down. You can as well suggest any topic you would want us to treat in the next tutorial. Forex trading, crypto, stocks, commodity trading, educational content is also available on my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next one. Peace.